Hello my beautiful friends, it's me, Jennysrp, and I am back with another unboxing today. Today we have our new ScrawlrBox for February 2020. This is their first of their new rebranded boxes. As far as I understand it, their intention was to make sure that each ScrawlrBox could fit through someone's letterbox. And they've kind of updated their logo just a little bit and changed to a brown box rather than a white box. What do you think? It's more square and it looks a little bigger. It used to be like this size. So I'm interested to see what's inside. Maybe they're including bigger pieces of paper or something. We'll see. Let's take a look. Ooh. Oh, is this like an inking one? And they have their new logo and top on there. Perfect for unboxing videos, as we are doing. This is a whole little booklet. I'm gonna put this down and we'll take a look. Oh, it's a whole like sketchbook. That's cool. Cute. So create more. That looks like the theme. The artist is Rob Draper, artist based in the UK specializing in hand lettering. He works with an elite range of clients including the Golden Globes, Nike, Gap, Penguin, Samsung, Levi's, Sunglass Hut, WWF, and many more. That's very cool. He's on Instagram, Rob Draper1. Very neat. Ooh, I am not like a very clean artist. I'm not good with measuring and geometry. I'm a very organic-y kind of artist, but I really appreciate and love lettering. I follow tons of lettering artists on Instagram, and it really relaxes me to watch them do pen, inking, calligraphy, that kind of thing. I think it's really great. I wish I had a graphic designer's brain, but I just don't. I don't know how to use straight lines. But we're gonna probably play with it this time around. So here's our little package with our art supplies. Here's our card for February. The ScrawlrChallenge is something out of nothing, which is basically all of art in general, right? 4 artist pens in black, I believe. Faber Castell, very good brand. A Uni-Ball Signo gel white pen, which I have used almost always for my white inking, other than the other white ink pen we got in a previous ScrawlrBox. A custom ScrawlrBox Viking pencil. Oh, cool. It's their first branded item that I've received so far. So you can see it says ScrawlrBox right on the Viking pencil. That's neat. It's a 4B, which means that it's softer than your regular 2B pencil, which is what you used in school. Do they still do that? Do they still use pencils in school? Gold Dazzle, what? Oh my gosh, how funny. It's a little packet of gold glitter. That is so funny. I'm gonna share this in my next video, but my boyfriend made me a beauty box for Valentine's Day and used gold glitter to decorate it, and we had gold glitter everywhere last week. And so it's so funny that now I have another packet of gold glitter. He just bought this giant thing of gold glitter to decorate my Valentine's. I mean, isn't that the cutest? But that is really funny and very synchronistic. And then we have a stick it glue pen for the glitter. And okay, and the sketchbook and 2 Kraft Sheets. I didn't see the Kraft Sheets because they are the same color as the cardboard box. There's one. There is another one in there. It just looks exactly the same as the cardboard box. So I would have missed that if I didn't read the card. That's funny. So as you can see, this is like using the brown paper with the black ink. I cannot believe he did that by hand. And then the white pen and the glue and the gold glitter for that. And obviously this is a photograph print of the actual what do you call it? Mixed media piece of art. Oh, my sad nail. The mixed media art, but that's really neato. This is a lot of items. This is more than usual. 4 pens plus a white pen. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus the paper. Wow. So that's a lot. A challenge is something out of nothing. Each box provides with a selection of art supplies and inspiration. So that's the Scrawler Challenge this month, which is really open-ended, which I really appreciate. Last month's theme was it was reflective skies, and it was beautiful. There were so many beautiful artworks, but they were very similar. It was lots of sunsets and reflections of light on the ocean or the lake, so it was, it felt a little bit limited, but the something out of nothing concept is very open-ended, so I'm really looking forward to seeing what all the artists create on Instagram. Oh, I'll show you. So here's the paper booklet. Lots of paper to play with. Here's the little candy treat for the month. They always put a little random candy in it. It's a gold, I'm assuming it's a chocolate coin. They don't put a little thing of it on there. Cute. I love chocolate. I still have the stick from last time because I don't really eat sweets very often. I have to have 0 other sugar for the day in order to have a sweet. So I still have it. I will try it because I'm confused as to whether it's strawberry or caramel. Here's the glue stick. That's a pen. That's really cool. It's gonna be super useful just for regular life going forward too, so that's awesome. I showed you the glitter packet. Ooh, the sticker this month has a little print of it, of the kind of ink work. That's neat. Here's the white pen. This is actually a product that I've bought before. I've bought about 10 of these exact pens, so this is a very familiar product to me. It's one of the only white pens that genuinely, consistently gives white highlight. That's sort of like whiteout, or what do you call it here in England? Yeah, so that's a good one. And then this beautiful packet of different weighted pens, which I'm very excited about. Excellent. This is a very high quality, high value box. So I will rearrange my setup and make a piece of art, and hope you like it. You can find my drawing Instagram on Jennysrp Draws. That's where I have more of my artwork. And thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you like it. I think ScrawlrBox is an awesome art supplies subscription box. The quality of the items is really high end, and I'll probably continue it after my gift subscription is over because it's just fabulous. Hope you have a great day. Take care of each other. Bye.